This is the AUKEY Mini Drone model UAP01 unboxing video. This is a drone. I just picked it up and it cost 24 bucks on Amazon. I bought 4 of them. We got a little drone guy. Remote control inside. It's got charging cable, extra set of propellers, the instruction manual. The remote control uses 2 AAA batteries, not included. To give you a sense of size or scale, this is just a little bit bigger than an iPhone charging brick. It's about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. It comes with a little bit of a charge, but you're going to need to charge it a little bit before you use it, a little more. Alright, once you've got the batteries in the controller and the little guy charged up, you're going to want to turn on the controller. You're going to want to turn on the drone. And on the controller, you're going to go up, down, and that's it. And now you're synced up. And this little button right here, little button right here, right below the red light, is going to be your automatic takeoff, and this is going to be your automatic landing. When you press the joystick down, it's going to beep into 3 different modes. So right now we're in mode 3. So when you're in mode 3, if you take both joysticks and move them down to the bottom right, the lights start blinking on the drone, and you let go, and now it's calibrating for a smoother flight. This drone can also do 360 flips, rolls, back flips. It does all sorts of stuff. I haven't really gotten that far in the instructions yet, but so far my feeling on this is for 24 bucks, this is an amazing drone. And I've had a Phantom Standard and a Phantom Advanced, and this thing is super duper fun. So that's it. If you like it and comment and subscribe.